Hi, sir.
Hi, Mr. Tariq.
How are you?
I'm good, all well.
Can you tell me more about your workshop, please?
Yeah, we are specialized in all European cars, German cars, uh, Japanese cars, all the cars we do actually. Software update, everything related electronics, um, whatever it is.
Okay, can you tell us more about the services that you are providing?
We're having major service, basic service, and mid-range service.
Mechanical,
Mechanical, front brake pad replacement, rear brake replacement, engine oil, transmission oil replacement, anything related to the car we do. All mechanical and electrical jobs we do here.
Great. How old is your shop?
7 years we are in the market here as Care Auto Repair, but we have 26 background knowledge in UAE.
Fantastic. Okay. Is there a special rates for the people watching this video?
We're giving special discount for people who's watching this video. Like we can give 20% on labor charge.
Thank you very much. Where are you located?
I'm in Ras Al Khor 1.
Okay, and we will list all the details at the description box below. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.